Most people are trapped, not by bars, not by rules, but by their own stats. They wake up, go to work, watch TV, scroll, sleep, repeat, all while thinking they've lived life, but they haven't. They've only seen the small sliver that their stats allow them to access. It's like staying stuck in the tutorial zone. Life is an open world game. You don't unlock new zones with more opinions. You unlock them with better attributes. Game unlocks romantic and social experiences. Reputation unlocks respect and invitations. Confidence unlocks risk-taking and results. Social skills unlock rooms you didn't even know existed. Connections unlock shortcuts and backstage passes. Health unlocks energy, looks, and momentum. Money/time freedom unlocks choice, peace, and power. Each one is a key, and the more you level them up, the more the map of reality expands. Most people are trapped in level 1. They live in a 5-mile radius. Same job, same friends, same thoughts, same insecurities, same tired excuses. It's not that they're incapable, it's that they've never upgraded their build. They keep trying to think their way out of mediocrity, but it's not purely a mindset problem, it's a stats problem. The illusion of knowing. Here's the wild part. The people with the lowest stats often think they know the most. They've never been in a real negotiation, led a room, navigated high-status circles, rebuilt themselves, traveled solo, stared down rejection, made 5 figures in a day, or built something from scratch. Yet they talk like they've got it all figured out. Their world is small, but their ego is loud. You don't know what you haven't experienced. You can't imagine the taste of a fruit you've never eaten. Same goes for life. You can't feel what it's like to walk into a luxury penthouse if you've never been inside. You can't know what it's like to have options if you've always been broke. You can't understand power if you've always been overlooked. Reality expands when your stats rise. It's not about faking it. It's about earning your way into richer, more alive experiences. Every stat you level up gives you more life. Raise your game and the opposite sex responds differently. Raise your confidence and doors open that were once invisible. Raise your fitness and the mirror starts smiling back. Raise your money and time becomes your own again. Raise your connections and you leapfrog levels others grind years to reach. This is real freedom, not imaginary, not theoretical, and it's available to those who earn it. Normies think life just happens. They think it's all luck, or that you have to know someone, or that confidence is something you're born with. Wrong. All of it can be trained, but most people never even try, because they've already decided what's possible based on the tiny cage they live in. They don't see the cage though. They call it reality. Reality isn't fixed, it's tiered. What you experience depends on what you can handle. The better your stats, the higher tier your reality becomes. You don't chase anymore. Opportunity comes to you. You don't beg for respect. You radiate it. You don't stress over time. You own it. You don't guess. You know from experience. The world bends for the man who builds himself, but it ignores the one who stays average. You're not lazy. You're underpowered. The reason you feel stuck isn't because life is unfair. It's because your current stats don't let you see what's next. The world you want is real. You're just not tuned to it yet. Just like an RPG, you unlock new quests, allies, and rewards as your character improves. Until then, the game is boring, repetitive, gray. You stay in the tutorial zone and wonder why life sucks. Final truth, you're living a fraction of what's possible. You don't need motivation. You need to upgrade your build. Every stat you raise gives you more leverage, more clarity, more depth. Most people die having seen 5% of what life could have been. Don't let that be you. Upgrade your stats, expand your map, and unlock the rest of reality. Ready to leave the tutorial zone for good? If you're done living small and you're serious about upgrading your stats, confidence, cash flow, influence, and clarity, then it's time to unlock the system that rewires your entire operating code. Unlock Your Money Mind shows you exactly how to build leveraged income, master persuasive psychology, and create time freedom, so the real game of life finally opens up. No fluff, no guesswork, just a direct path to a higher tier reality. Click the link in the description and start leveling up now. And if this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.